I am 7 years old. I feel here to be good. Hello, my name is Trinity. I'm so happy that our school has a tour that we are in Morogoro right now. I feel so good to come here, and I still feel like I'm in Dar es Salaam, but I'm actually in Morogoro. I thank our director and our manager for bringing us in a beautiful place like this, and I thank them for paying our parents for paying this trip. It's such a beautiful trip. We are enjoying. We play games. Right now we are playing games right here, and then our next location is going to be instructed. Thank you for listening.
Mr. Wire, Mr. Transaction, Mr. Cash.